Dr. Cohey Honma. I'm a director of MIME Research Association and also a member of ELCAN's Scientific Advisory Panel. So as you know, there's today WHO announced a pandemic for this current ongoing novel coronavirus. So as I have been working on this MIME ingredient for the immunity, so I would like to share our knowledge about this ingredient for our immune health. So MIME is an abbreviation of mycelium immunomodulator extract. It is produced from my type of mushroom, Lentinura idodes, 30 years ago, and it was designed to optimize systemic immune system. So there's a many very unique and special part about MIME. It is the best studied immune ingredient in the world. In our MIME Research Association, we are trying to accumulate real scientific evidences by real human clinical studies. And inside MIME, the very unique active components are identified. It is shown like here. It is a unique partially acylated alpha-glucans. And these unique active components are specially produced in this patented manufacturing process of MIME. So as I said, it is developed from mushroom, but especially the mushroom mycelia part is used. Mycelia is a kind of root part of mushroom that has the ability to amplify the number of cells. So when the MIME is produced, we put this mycelia cell inside the liquid culture, means a liquid feed for the mushroom mycelia to grow and amplify the number of cells. And as you can see, this is a big tank holding the 15,000 liters of liquid. And this is a guy, person working in the factory. You can tell how the tank is. And inside the tank, there's a really a live mushroom mycelia growing. And at the end, there's a concentrated, a processed, a several component of mushroom mycelia. And at the end, there's an incubation and sterilization process, and liquid part is separated and concentrated. That makes the freeze-dried powder of MIME. This manufacturing process MIME, it takes about 2 months to produce one batch of MIME, and this long-term culture process is globally patented. So this unique manufacturing process is making this ingredient very special, different from a regular mushroom extract or eating mushrooms. I'm working as a director for collaborative research in this association, and we've been carrying out numbers of universities and hospitals worldwide. And this is what we know about the mechanism of MIME. First, about immune modulation. It is said, it is known that 70 to 80% of immune cells are produced in our gut. So this is a figure of our small intestine. And in our small intestine, we have this type of a immune station. Everybody has this type of immune station. And when MIME is taken orally, the active components of MIME stimulates the surface of this immune station, and in the downstream, the immune modulation is occurred, so the systemic immune systems are modulated. There's a major benefit we get from MIME. Second benefit is for the inflammation, and in recent studies, there's a unique component identified in MIME working for inflammation reduction. And the third benefit we get from MIME is for our intestinal flora. These are the 3 major benefits we get from MIME. So this is actually a actual results from our human clinical studies. We have measured numbers of different immune cells, as you see here. Yeah, this is how we really can evaluate our immunity. Also, different type of immune cells like dendritic cell and different type of T cells. Starting dosage of MIME is 1 gram per day to 3 grams per day, which corresponds in our product, 4 capsules are recommended for the prevention and health maintenance. And for the disease state, 6 to 8 capsules are recommended for disease patients. So this is another study showing the example of bacterial infection. It is called MRSA. This is sometimes a serious problem, especially for the hospitalized people. And that kind of a antibiotic resistant bacterial infection can infect such people, especially when their immunity is compromised. And this was animal model study, but by giving MIME, that MIME keep the survival of the mice. And in different types of viral infections, such as influenza and West Nile virus, especially in this influenza virus, this is a human clinical study. We measured the antibody titer, antibody production after the vaccination of this influenza virus. But when such influenza vaccine is combined with MIME, the antibody production is even higher, significantly higher than the control group. This study is very important because cervical cancer is known as the third most common cancer in women worldwide, and 99% of cervical cancer is caused by this specific type of virus infection. And the point is, there's no cure for HPV infection. And it was shown by our human clinical study in our collaboration that MIME can help to eradicate HPV. So coming back to this general information about this virus, and this is again coronavirus. And in our MIME Research Association, at the moment, we don't have actual studies evaluated for coronaviruses, but by looking at the mechanism of MIME, working for our immune modulation, and looking at the different results, beneficial effect of MIME on different types of viruses, we expect this MIME ingredient is effective for. So this is a summary about our talk today. MIME. The mode of action is first about immune optimization and good for inflammation control and intestinal flora. Support benefits, first about health maintenance and good for the prevention and clearance of including coronavirus is expected, and quality of life improvement and for energetic daily life. Thank you very much for your attention.